This is the Lofree Flowlite 100, a low-profile keyboard that brings a sleek design and solid performance together in one beautifully simple package. If you're into clean setups and modern aesthetics, you're going to want to see this. There's not much in the box, just a USB-C cable, instruction manual, as well as the keyboard. Now my first impressions at 1.2 pounds, it is extremely lightweight because of the ABS plastic. Now I wouldn't say that it's premium, but it's pretty decent. I also noticed how much open space is above the F-row. It's cool they imprinted the logo and added a scroll wheel, but it feels like wasted space. There's a pretty good variety with color options, marble, which is the one that I am looking at, flamingo, as well as off-white. On the top you have the USB slot for wired mode, and then a switch to toggle from Bluetooth to wireless. The back is very simple, and for those that lose stuff easily, the USB storage compartment is a nice touch. As well as you have two adjustable feet that have rubber covers to help from moving around. The Flowlite has tri-mode connectivity with 1000 Hz polling rate. It's Windows and Mac compatible, which is always a plus. The volume wheel is a nice touch and adds a little pop of color to the keyboard while maintaining the minimalistic look. Now I just want to show the size and sound comparison to my daily keyboard, the Nada 65 Panda. It is crazy that the Flowlite is compact with 100 keys and just a little bit longer than my 65% keyboard. I put the width on screen to show you how much slimmer the Flowlite is, and here's a quick sound comparison. The letters on the keycaps are pushed to the top, giving a lot of blank space on the keycaps. I would have preferred that they centered the letters to fill it out. Now the other feature of the keycaps is that they are shine through and honestly look pretty good with the backlight on. Something to note as well, it doesn't have RGBs, which could be a deal breaker for some. The switches are the Spectre version and are linear with an operating force of 40 grams. For such a small switch, it has a great sound profile, and I'm honestly quite impressed with the layers of foam that they include, since it really is not a ton underneath. One point to note, Lofree does have their own software to map macros, and here's what you've been waiting for, the sound test. Overall, I think Lofree did a great job with this keyboard. It's reasonably priced at $109 and sounds great as a low-profile keyboard. Honestly, it would be a good pick if you're going for the minimalistic look. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more keyboards and tech content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.